Thinking of studying in New Zealand in 2025? Whether you're planning an undergraduate, postgraduate, or vocational course, this video will walk you through everything, from admission to visa application, tuition fees, visa costs, work rights, and even how to bring your dependents. Let's get started. Part 1. Admission Process. Step 1. Admission. Before you apply for a visa, you need an offer of place from a New Zealand institution approved by the New Zealand Qualifications Authority, or NZQA. For undergraduate programs, you'll typically need a high school diploma, IELTS score of 6.0 or equivalent for postgraduate programs, a relevant bachelor's degree, IELTS score of 6.5. And for vocational courses, requirements vary depending on the program, usually basic academic qualifications and English proficiency. Part 2. Visa Application Process. Once you have your offer of place, apply online through the official Immigration New Zealand website for a fee-paying student visa. You'll need the following: valid passport offer of place, proof of funds, at least 20,000 New Zealand dollars per year for living expenses, health and character documents, medical and travel insurance, visa fee, around 330 New Zealand dollars. Processing time? Apply at least 3 months before your course starts. Part 3. Tuition fees and costs. Tuition fees vary based on your program and institution. Undergraduate degrees: NZD 22,000 to 32,000 per year. Postgraduate degrees: NZD 26,000 to 37,000 per year. Vocational courses varies widely, often between NZD 10,000 to 20,000. Also, budget around 500 to 700 New Zealand dollars annually for medical insurance. Part 4. Student work rights. As a student, you can work up to 20 hours per week during semesters, work full-time during holidays and scheduled breaks. This only applies if your course is full-time and worth at least 120 credits. Part 5. Dependents. Good news for families. You may be able to bring your dependents. Spouse or partner can apply for a work visa if you're enrolled in a level 7 or 8 course that's on the green list, or in a level 9 or 10, master's or PhD. Children can attend New Zealand primary or secondary schools as domestic students. Their visas usually match the length of your student visa. Part 6. Post-study options. After graduating, you're eligible for a post-study work visa, which lets you work in New Zealand for 1 year for most diplomas, levels 5 and 6, up to 3 years for bachelor's, master's, or PhD degrees. This can open doors to residency pathways if your job is in demand. Conclusion. New Zealand offers world-class education, amazing landscapes, and real opportunities for international students and their families. Start planning now, apply early, and make your dream of studying abroad a reality. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments.